Good evening, sir.
Evening.
Tomorrow you not go to other place like mountain
No?
or beach?
No.
Why?
Because right now I'm so tired and I want go to sleep now.
Wait. What's your clothes you're using, sir?
Oh, this is.
Yeah.
It was a batik. Do you know batik is very famous in the world? It was a world heritage.
You serious? Because there is any hidden waterfall at some place.
Wow, waterfall again? Really?
Yeah.
No. Maybe I will go to sleep now.
Okay, sure. Take rest now.
Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. But before we continue on my video, please you should be like and subscribe my channel. Come on. Right now in the morning we went to other place. This is in Waterfall, but it was so different because there is any water cliff in the waterfall. More amazing, more fantastic place, more wonderful place. So you should be here. So come on.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for your attention.
Do you ready adventure today?
Yes, sir. Super ready. Come on. I want to tell you something. Look at the river. The river is not just bring a water, but bring a life. So this is it, Indonesia. Unfortunately, right now is rainy season, so I cannot continue on my journey. But it's okay. I want just relax, maybe 15 minutes. Look at this. The weather almost cloudy, but it's no problem. Okay, this is I think little waterfall in my district. Look at this. If you come here, you should be watch your slipper. Oh, look at this. Wow, Masya Allah.
Sir,
Oh, hello. We like a river, open and flowing. Oh, Alhamdulillah, right now we arrived. This is Waterfall. This is a very famous in my district. Oh, look at that. There is any people. They are two facing. So come on. Do you see? Look at that. This is toward in the waterfall, and look the view, guys. Look the nature everywhere. It was amazing, right? Look at this. We almost arrived. You guys come here and look at this. It's so interesting when we like him. Hup. Indonesia.
Sir,
What?
wake up.
Yes, I am wake up. Oh my gosh!
What?
I was dreaming. It was Waterfall.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
How about the view?
The view is so fantastic and amazing place.
You serious you don't go?
Oh, right now I should be go now because it was wonderful place. It was fantastic. So come on, I want to go. So trip today. Thank you so much for watching my video, everyone. Hope you fully enjoy and hope you fully you stay healthy in everywhere because right now it's rain is calm and the weather is so cool. So don't forget like and subscribe my YouTube. So see you next time on my video. Bye bye.